Hello guys, welcome back to Enable Website Design. In this video, I will show you to organize your text using Chatgpt. So for example, here I have some random text and now I want to copy these titles. So how I can do that? So if I do it manually, that can take much time. Now simple, I can copy this random text. So after that, let me copy it and then I can add this text. But before adding text, here I can add some text so that ChatGPT can remove all of the extra things and keep these titles. And here I can add please keep only titles and remove all extra things. Then add the text here and press enter. Now here you can see how ChatGPT can organize all of the text for you. So now you can easily copy this text and also you can ask ChatGPT to put all of this content in a file. So after that I can manually copy it and then I can use it anywhere. So here you can see all the video titles are here.